Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Tinubu in London, greeted by protest. The former Speaker of House of Representatives in Nigeria, Dogara'S, finally dumps APC for PDP. And we'll dabble a little bit into the wife of the president, Aisha Buhari, and the Aminu that insulted her. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, most importantly, hit the bell sign so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Today, Tinubu appeared before some group of people in London, but before then, he was greeted, as you have seen, by a protest led by Reno Omokri, the former presidential aide to Goodluck Jonathan, former president of Nigeria. And let me make this thing clear. I know that the people in diaspora speak out often when Nigerians visit abroad, because in Nigeria, freedom of expression does not really exist. If you say things in Nigeria, they come after you, you are molested, sometimes you are even killed. And that is why people in diaspora, when they have the slightest opportunity, they express their opinions. But having said that, I don't support the embarrassment of any Nigerian abroad under any disguise. Obama will always tell you that if you want to express your anger, vote. So the disgrace that I saw in London done by Reno Omokri, calling Tinubu a drug lord outside the shores of Nigeria, is disgraceful and unacceptable. You don't get on social media and start tweeting hate. Where is African culture and tradition? It's still filled with respect. This is why I also disagree with all those that jumped both and started supporting Aminu, the undergraduate in Nigeria that tweeted something that was not right on the office of the First Lady of Nigeria. You know, you can criticize people in power, engaging constructive criticism is okay. But for a little boy like that, I know it's freedom of expression, but remember, this is Africa. And the last time I checked, Nigeria is still in Africa. It's not America. It's not Germany, where kids can call the police on their parents. Get on the world of innovation as a youth. The world of science is huge. And people are innovating every day. And that boy cannot get on social media and start tweeting against the office of the First Lady of Nigeria. It's condemnable. And I'm glad that people retraced their steps when they realized that the same boy tweeted that anybody who raised support for the slain Deborah Samuel in Sokoto, that the person will be dealt with in Bauchi. And to me, that is a red flag right there, that this is a making of a religious extremist. That a religious extremist is on the making in that little boy. He should be sent to rehab house to teach him what is called religious tolerance, and not people supporting him. The last time I checked, Buhari was not poor even before he got into the office of the President of Nigeria. So you know, I'm always objective on this channel, because a country that lacks vision perishes. And when you don't see something, you don't say it, or you see, you don't say it. That is the bane of Nigerian politics and African politics. We have to set things the way they are. Africa has a culture of respecting elders. So the idea of Reno Omokri organizing people and abusing Tinubu in London is, to me, out of pocket and should be condemned by all Nigerians. Because when you watch your neighbor or brother being buried in a shallow grave and you are rejoicing, you don't know the kind of grave you'll be buried in when you die. So let's get things in the right perspective. And if we are discussing politics, let's base it on issues and not attacking characters. But anyway, Having said that, let's get to Tinubu's performance in London. You know, I respect Tinubu, and I will always respect him, but I feel the seat of the presidency of Nigeria may be too huge for him. People keep referring to what he did in Lagos. That was many years ago. Tinubu 20 years ago is not Tinubu again today. So I believe that people who are promoting Tinubu's presidency, they are doing a disservice to the nation, and I question their loyalty to the flag and national anthem of the nation. Watch his performance. Celia, who appeared on the program to ask him a question, why he will not attend one-on-one interviews to television houses, first and foremost, and he said that they wanted to make money out of him. I said, really? What are you avoiding? Even the questions that were asked, see, were answered by Proxy. Is that the kind of president Nigeria wants to have come 2023? I believe if it's not about ethnicity or religion, if somebody like the vice president of Nigeria, if he must go to the West, Oshibanjo is standing today as the candidate of APC, I will gladly support him. But it's not about ethnicity. It's not about religion. So people who are supporting Tinubu based on religion, they are doing a disservice to that nation. And I stand to be corrected. But see something, say something, and please do something. People call him Big Masquerade, okay? But when the big masquerade overstays in the arena, the uninitiated will throw sand at it. And that's what we're seeing today. Reno Mercury throwing stones at BOLA Tinubu. That is disgraceful. But I believe that Nigeria should do better than elect a president who will not be in charge. Alright? So get in the comment section and let me know what you think about Tinubu's performance in London. He preferred to go to London to address a group of people to coming to Nigeria, facing Nigerian media houses, being interrogated, or having any one-on-one interview. So I don't know what that means. I don't know what the future portends for Nigeria if Tinubu is elected the president of Nigeria today. But get in the comment section and let me know what you think. Be objective in your comments. Is that the kind of president Nigeria wants 2023? Shall we be progressing or retrogressing? Or are we just basing everything we do on ethnicity or religion? That is not the way to go for Nigeria. This is Chris Dogara'S. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. We'll have a date again in this arena. Cheers.